Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to personalize your newsletter confirmation email and also how to send newsletter to your subscribers. So in last week's tutorial, I taught you guys how to set up your own newsletters using Skapi services, and when the users go here into your newsletter and try to subscribe, they are going to receive a confirmation email. So in this case, you can personalize this confirmation email. I'm assuming you guys already have a Skapi account and also a service there. So if you do, you can come here into automated email and go into your newsletter confirmation. You can personalize every type of email on Skapi. So you can personalize your sign up confirmation, your welcome email, verification email. So I'm going to teach you guys how to do that with newsletter, but this works the same for all of the other services as well. So here, if you read, you're going to see that in order to personalize, you just need to send an email to this email address right here. But remember, you need to send an email from the email provider that you sign up to your Skapi account. In this case, I signed up with 123@gmail.com. So I need to send from this email to this email address that we get on our Skapi. Here also we have placeholders. This placeholder is for the confirmation link, and we also have for the email of the subscriber and for your service name. So you can use these placeholders, and Skapi is going to then substitute it with your service name and also your email. In this case, we are going to then copy the email address. So this is an example that I got. It's just a simple welcome email. And here you can see that we are going to have the placeholder for email. So it's going to show the email of the subscriber. And also here the placeholder for the service name. So it's going to replace it with your service name. Don't forget to then paste the email address here. And we need to have a confirmation. So we need to put the link here. We go back, we copy the placeholder for the link, and then on Gmail or in your email provider, we can just select the click here and add as a link. So when the subscriber receives this email, they can click here to confirm the email address. So we're going to send, and you're going to receive a message like this, saying that your email template has been updated. If you go back into Skapi, we can then refresh the page. Then we have here the template we set up. You can see here that I actually have 2 newsletters. In this case, you can have many of them, and you can change the one that you want to send by just clicking on it, and you can change then your template. So you can have multiple templates and you can change between them. Just remember that when you change, the change is going to take a bit to be applied, so maybe wait between 5 and 10 minutes, and then your new template is going to be used. Okay, let's try to subscribe to our newsletter and see if we receive this confirmation email. We can try to subscribe with any email you have. And here you can see that I successfully received the confirmation email. If I click here, I can then confirm my email. When I click, then it gets me to this page that we coded on last week's tutorial. Okay, now the last thing I'm going to teach you guys is how then to send newsletter to your subscribers. In order to do that, you're going to come here into bulk email, into newsletter, and then you're going to do the same thing as we did before. You just copy this email address and you're going to send an email to it. I also have an example here to you guys. So you can put the highlights of September. You can make your newsletters the way you want. You can put images. You just need to remember to paste and send it to the email address that is in your Skapi website. So when we send, the subscriber should receive this email, right? So let's send. If you enter the Skapi website, you can see here that we have the newsletter that we just sent using the email that I have. And if I check the email that I subscribed to this newsletter, I received it as well. So it's right here. So guys, this is how you customize your newsletter confirmation email and also how you send newsletters to your subscribers. Remember, you can also personalize any other type of email with Skapi, your sign-up confirmation, your invitation email. You use that doing the same thing that we did with the newsletters. So this is it for this week's tutorials. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments down below and we will reply to them as soon as possible. Leave your like, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys next time.